Hey gang, Brian Martin, the Bossman, coming at you once again from sunny 4-State Trucks here in Joplin. Today, we've got a cool product. This is a great seller for us, and incidentally, it's for a 379 Peterbilt, which is probably our most popular request for parts across the board in general. Now, for years, we've had a hood assembly for a Peterbilt 379 extended hood that was fiberglass with a stainless grille, and those sold great, and they're still a wonderful product. Now we offer an all aluminum hood with a stainless steel grille for the Peterbilt 379 extended hood. The great thing about this is with it being aluminum skins, aluminum fenders, it's just like the hood that came on your truck from the factory rather than being fiberglass. So we've got two different versions. The one you see here that has a factory style front fender. We also offer a wide outer lip on the front fender version to make your truck look a little bit lowered, and the upcharge for that is not a ton of money. Great product. As I said, you've got aluminum skins, aluminum sides, aluminum fenders if you get the factory style fender, polished stainless steel grille assembly. Now this is an upgrade from your factory hood. The polished stainless steel is going to retain this shine hypothetically forever. You won't have to constantly buff it out like you would the aluminum shell that came on your factory hood. Underneath this, we're going to show you we've got a lot of aluminum structure and reinforcements. We do have some fiberglass reinforcements and structure we'll show you. But a great product, aftermarket from BESTfit, 2-year warranty, which is going to exceed anything you're going to get anywhere else. And let's do a walk around here and look at some of the characteristics. As I said, a polished stainless steel, all riveted together here. This is our factory version with the stock body lines and outer lip here, and we offer the wider, which will be a fiberglass front fender, the wide lip version. Aluminum bridges and supports back here. It does come with the support brackets that's going to rest on your firewall. Now these here, this big bridge is fiberglass, but it's extra thick, it's extra beefy, and you're not going to have any problems or failures with that. So a great product that is going to do a great job on your truck. And another thing worth mentioning, this hood assembly as one part number to get you a whole assembly, I'm told from the Peterbilt dealer, has been discontinued. You can go to Peterbilt and get every single component to build a hood, but you cannot order, it's our understanding, you cannot order a full assembly. So here at BESTfit Truck Parts, 4-State Trucks, we've got you fixed up. You can go to our website, 4statetrucks.com, and in the search bar, get ready, this is a long one. If you put in Peterbilt aluminum hood with stainless grille, Peterbilt aluminum hood with stainless grille, it's going to bring this item up, and you can pick between the stock front fender or the wide lip version. Or for convenience, we've got those two part numbers on the screen right now, so jot those down, and you can go shopping there at 4statetrucks.com, or stop in and see us here just off I-44 in Joplin at exit 4, just up the road from the Petro. So hood assemblies from BESTfit, 2-year warranty for the Peterbilt 379 extended hood. You're not going to beat the quality. We got a great price. We try our best to keep these in stock. So holler at us if you're needing a hood for your truck.